What's up everyone? My name is Kulas and today I will be mounting our Xbox One, an oldie but good console behind the TV on the wall using this product. The all-in Wonder Mount for components. Got this from Amazon. We'll see how this one will work. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Some of the things that you will be needing are a screwdriver and the infamous screwdriver heads, as well as the all-in Wonder Mount for components. The black one. Holds large and small components. So I got this one from Amazon. If you want to check this out, I will be putting the link below. Open your browser to the correct Amazon site that you are in, where you are located. I'm in Canada, that's why I'm opening Amazon.ca. And then in the search bar, type all-in Wonder Mount. It's one of the top choices in here, top results. It costs around $20, and as you can see, it was reviewed by 2,500 people, and it is around 4.6 out of 5, which is decent, especially with the amount of people who have reviewed it. That's why I bought this. Let's open this one. I bought it last January 4, 2021, and there are two colors, the black and the white. I chose the black one because my console is almost black. It's gray, but I chose black so that it matches. And I got it for about 4 days, and I'm just installing it now. Okay, if you are interested in this product, I'll be putting the link in the description below. You can click on it, and then you can check if this is something that you want to install on your wall. Okay, so let's open it. This one comes with instructions. It has only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I guess this one is the one you use to mount it on the wall, right? So as you can see, there are screw holes in this component. Okay. Also has the Velcro strap to hold the components for the all-in components. It has 4. So there are 2 big Velcro straps, or thick Velcro straps, and another 2 for the smaller one. Also comes with the screws. Let's see how this holds up. The first thing I need to do is to figure out how to attach this. So as you can see here, there are moldings here wherein you can put in the straps. So I'm gonna look at behind the TV and see how I can attach it. Obviously, we don't want the Xbox One to show up, so I'm gonna ensure that it doesn't show up once I mount it. Okay, here's the console. Took it out of the box. So I have to ensure that the disc part is the one that will be on the outside, right? And I probably will be putting it upwards like this. Right. Like this. Since I'm lazy to use the screwdriver, I'm gonna be using my drill again. They'll again lower the power so that it doesn't get out of hand when I use it. Okay? I'm gonna be using this drill bit to bore some hole first before I attach it, so it's easier for me to screw it. If I want to use a screwdriver, if I want to use this. Let's go! as you can see on the back side of this mounting tool, there are spaces for the Velcro tape. So what I will do is I will put them in place here and then tape them so that they don't move while I am trying to attach it. Okay, I have put tapes here, tapes, so that they stay in place. Right, and again, always choose the correct screwdriver head to screw it. I forgot to press the record button, so what I did was to use the Velcro to hold it. As I've said, this is the position that I wanted, and the cables will just go on the other side. Okay, so all we need to do now is to just test it. Let's go. I'm just putting in the power plug. I have connected the HDMI 1, the power plug in. As you can see, it's showing my Xbox, but I don't have any battery. I'll see if I can find anything that I can plug it into. Don't the batteries, I haven't used this Xbox for a long time. Oh, one more thing, I have to attach the Kinect. Kids love it, so I'm gonna attach it. This is the Kinect. I have to attach this one first. So as you can see, I was able to mount the Xbox One and it's not showing up on the side, so it's at the back of the TV using the all-in Wonder component. All-in Wonder mount for components. Note that this is not a paid review. I just bought it because it's cheap from Amazon, and so far it's doing its job. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe and like button and share it to your friends. Until the next DIY/review episode, see you soon. Bye!